Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the phone dialer and let's choose the three dots icon. Simply tap on the settings and here we've got call blocking, so let's tap on it. As you can see, here is our blacklist. Now we have no blocked numbers. In order to add a new one, simply click on an add a number. And as you can see here, we can manually type the number we want to block. And if you're ready, let's click on block. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, simply tap on this X button right next to it and click on unblock. And as you can see, from now on you will be able to receive all calls and messages from that number. So that's all. This is how you easily can block a number in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.